It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Wednesday, the 22nd of February. I'm James Spann. Clouds linger today. The bulk of the rain more than likely south and east of here. A cold front Friday night, and a cool change for the weekend. Check this out. A deep upper low developing this morning that is moving down toward the northern Gulf of Mexico. It's south of Pensacola. That brought the big rain mass yesterday, and still rain falling early this morning. That was the radar about 5 o'clock. You can see rain mainly south and east of Birmingham, places like Alexander City, Dadeville, Auburn, Opelika, Eufaula getting wet. That's where the best chance of rain will be today. Any showers for the northern half of the state should be fairly isolated. These temperatures have not moved over the past 24 hours. Readings are sitting around 60 in most spots, and we'll be closer to 70 today. We should be warmer, and maybe a few breaks of sun later this afternoon. Around the nation, no really cold air at this point, but storm forms tomorrow and Friday, and that will pull down some colder air. We'll feel that this weekend, and with that storm, a big snow swath is likely from Wyoming up into Wisconsin. Winter storm watch is in effect there. Some spots could see almost a foot of snow. In fact, near blizzard conditions are possible there. And there could be some strong storms south and east of that storm, as you'll see. In fact, this is the convective outlook today. No severe weather expected. Maybe some thunder across Florida, Great Lakes, the Northwest. But day 3, this is Friday. And you can see we've got the marginal risk down to Tennessee. No severe weather risk defined for Alabama. And you work your way up north, we have an enhanced risk for parts of Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan. That includes Indianapolis. And again, that's for Friday and Friday night with a deep surface low passing just north of there. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Wednesday morning of next week, about a ½ inch. That's for any additional showers we could see this morning, and then for the front Friday night, and then maybe for an event toward the middle of next week. So let's go ahead and check it out. Here's the GFS, the 06Z run. Noon today. Deep upper low south of Apalachicola. And again, a surface low is involved with that, so moisture kind of stays in here, wrapping in from the east. So today will be mostly cloudy and mild. The high should be at or just over 70. And there could be a few patches of light rain or drizzle, mainly this morning. Tomorrow should be a day that's dry and very mild, if not warm. Highs well up in the 70s, the sky partly sunny. We note that surface low developing east of Denver with snow cranking up north of that thing. Friday, big snows, wind, parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, upper Michigan. And south and east of that, that's where the severe weather threat will be. Indiana, some of the adjacent states. But for us during the day Friday, again, it should be warm and dry, partly sunny with a high pushing 80 degrees. Now, Friday night at midnight, the surface low moves into Michigan. A cold front picks up a band of showers and maybe some thunder. But again, we don't expect any severe weather here. The main severe weather issues should be well to the north. And then Saturday, after the front passes, we turn noticeably cooler. A cool breeze, high dropping down towards 60. Sky will be sunny. These are the anomalies, and you can see the cooler air taking over for much of the western two-thirds of the country. Sunday morning's going to be cold. In fact, the latest GFS keeps getting colder. Now it's printing out a freeze for Birmingham. It's got 32 at Birmingham. Clearly, we'll see 20s for the colder spots with a 1027 high right on top of us. A clear sky and light winds, so be ready for that. Then during the day, it will be sunny and cool with a high again around 60. Monday, we'll probably be in the upper 30s to start the day. We climb well up in the 60s, rain to the west. And then Tuesday, moisture increases, still nothing especially widespread. We note a deep surface low over Kansas, and this could be a severe weather day maybe for places like Arkansas and some of the adjacent states, but we don't expect that here. We should be up in the low 70s, and this is Wednesday of next week, the first day of March, first day of the tornado season. Trough just north and west of here, and we could see some strong storms. It remains to be seen if we'll have a severe weather threat, just something to watch. This is the end of the forecast period. Friday of next week, March 3rd, troughing moving north and east of here, and that looks cool and dry. Check the numbers coming off the European. You can see the cool down for the weekend, and again, Sunday morning will be pretty close to freezing. We warm up in the low 70s Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, and then slightly cooler air, but no sign of any excessively cold, true Arctic air for the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on the live stream or on TV. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.